The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in this video I'm going to discuss how you can inadvertently terminate your maintenance payments in Illinois. So determining maintenance or alimony payments is often a big part of divorce negotiation and litigation. There are some standard metrics that can be used to calculate alimony, but generally Illinois courts will try to have spouses maintaining a lifestyle that was as close as possible to their pre-divorce situation. Furthermore, Illinois is an equitable division state, meaning the court just focuses on the facts and the numbers. Marital property is split based on a number of factors, such as the spouse's income, likelihood to get a job, numbers of years married, health of both spouses, etc. But can you commit some act or behavior unknowingly giving your other spouse a chance to petition the court to terminate alimony? You sure can. Three of the most common reasons that alimony might be unexpectedly terminated include: one alimony recipient is suddenly making more money, the recipient fails to make a good faith attempt at supporting themselves, and the recipient shacks up with another person. The last item is probably how the majority of divorcees find themselves back in divorce court, possibly losing their alimony. There are a number of factors that the court will look at to determine your degree of cohabitation. So it's important to know that what these are before making any big decisions. If you're just living with another person as a roommate, then you should have nothing to worry about. If you have questions about alimony and cohabitation in Illinois, please give us a call. And as always, thank you for tuning in.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty again. I hope you enjoyed that video. We have many geographical locations for your convenience, so if you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thanks again.